Hello, this is the faulty cover I got from CASETiFY. As you can see, it has a lot of bad print sign. This part came off, but luckily I got a replacement and now I'll unbox it. Let's see. Here we are. Okay, this is the replacement one and looks pretty good. This is the defective one. Okay, I hope you can see the difference. This one has been used for 2 months, but it really came very damaged out of the box. This part came off recently, so it lasted more or less 2 months. This one look a lot better. I can see major issue. Let's see. So here a line, it's not perfect, but still better than this one. So let's check with the phone, just to give you an idea how it looks with the telephone, the blue iPhone. So this one is better. Oops. And that's all. Thank you.